Hi everyone, here is Raman Sharma as an IELTS trainer. I have uploaded different kinds of the videos on the YouTube and you people loved a lot. First of all, thank you very much. Today I am going to conduct IELTS speaking. One of my students named Vaneeta from Navashehar, she is candidate today. I am going to make video of IELTS task 1, only speaking task 1. We are going to make the videos. At the end of the video, I'll give my reviews, tips, what do's and don'ts, each and everything I'll clear. I hope that after watching the video, you people would definitely learn so many things. Or whatever you like or you dislike, kindly comment below or I'll read any of the good comment. I'll give a free admission. I hope that you people love the channel, so kindly subscribe it, like it and share it. So without wasting a time, let's review my class speaking Raman IELTS. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine. What about you, sir?
I'm good. What's your name?
My name is Vaneeta Devi.
Vaneeta. How may I address you?
You may address me with my first name, Vaneeta.
That's fine, Vaneeta. Vaneeta, may I see your ID?
Yes, sure.
Thank you. Backlog, that's okay. Vaneeta, today I'm going to conduct your speaking. I'm your IELTS trainer and my name is Ramandeep Sharma. So I'll ask various kind of the question. It's called a task 1. At the end of the task, everyone who are going to watch my videos, this is the video of only IELTS speaking task 1. That's called a 2-band score introduction. I'm not going to ask any single kind of a question. Various kinds of the question I'll ask from her, or at the end of the video I'll give reviews, tips, do's, don'ts, each and everything. I hope that you people would like or find mistake. I'm going to write the mistakes, or at the end, if you people would be able to match the mistake same, it means that you are good in IELTS speaking. So without wasting a time, let's enjoy speaking task 1. So Vaneeta, I'll ask various kind of question. I hope that you would give me a better answers. So my first question related to name.
Okay, sir.
Who gave you this name?
My name is Vaneeta Devi, and it is given by my grandfather, who is a soldier, and he chose my name from a holy book Bible.
That's good. Vaneeta, in future, do you want to change your name? If you get any chance to change it, would you change it or not?
No, I don't like to change my name in future because it's my identity, and all people know about me with my name.
That's fine. Are you health conscious?
Yes, I am very health conscious because I am a player, and I like to keep my body fit, and I do many things to keep my body fit.
What game do you play?
I am a professionally boxing player, and I won a gold medal in national games in last year.
That's good. Congratulate. So, how much time do you give to your game?
I think I mostly give a time to my game when in evening, and every evening I practice a lot because practice makes man perfect.
That sounds good. Do you have any coach who makes you cut perfect?
Yes, I have a coach. When I was playing in a college, then I have different coach from different states, and I
Okay,
I train from different coaches in my life.
that's okay. Like you are a player, and
Yes, sir.
do you follow diet?
Yes, I follow my diet, and I take my diet from dietitian because it is a very conscious for me. I have to take everything which I eat about proper which is included carbs, nutrients.
That's good. So, do you avoid fried, oily, any other kind of food or not? Means like you're a player, do you take each and everything or do you avoid these kind of the foods?
No, I am a human, and I like to eat different foods. Sometimes I like to eat French fries, pizzas, or burgers whenever it's party, and I like to enjoy that kind of food. But mostly I like to food which hygienic and good for health.
That's okay. Any other sport do you like?
I like cricket very much because it is a very 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 good game, and all the people of my country are love to cricket, and I love to watch cricket matches, and I also I also like to watch matches in a stadiums.
Okay. Can you please explain me any of the good player, means a best player in cricket that you love most?
I like Virat Kohli, who is a captain of a Indian team. I think he is a perfect man to play cricket, and he's a very kind-hearted, and he's a role model of every player in cricket.
Okay. Do you exercise?
Yes, I exercise in a daily routine because it is good for every person, and I think every person have to exercise daily because it is keep our body fit physically and mentally.
Okay. What do you do on your weekends?
In my weekends, mostly I am at home, but if I get a chance to go outside with my friends, then I go with my friends to take a dinner on restaurants.
Okay. Let me explain any of the favorite color that you love.
I love red color because it suits me, and when I was play a game in a boxing, and it is lucky to me whenever I wear a red dress, then I definitely win a match.
Okay, that's okay. So everyone, I ask a different kind of question like name, health, diet, sport, exercise, weekend, and so on. Few of the mistakes I got, firstly you told that I have coach, but it was a past. That time I had coaches, had, that was a past. And the another thing, in my weekends, that was a on my weekends, that is not a in my weekends, that's called a on my weekends. Or when I play game, when I used to play game, when I used to wear red color, that time I used to
Yes.
win, that was a also past. So I enjoyed your speaking. Sometimes you fumble a little, that's okay. Sometimes it's called a camera phobia,
Yes.
but you are speaking very good. Only few mistakes she did, and everyone knows about that. Man is an error. So at last, if I'm going to talk about do's and don'ts, if I'm giving you tips and tricks, the main thing that you people are not supposed to cram your answers. Firstly, do not cram your answers. Ratta nahi marna. Second thing, do not make a fake accent. Whatever you speak, speak like fluent. Means you people are not supposed to copy someone like others speaking. No, whatever you speak, any kind of the accent you have, that is acceptable. Third thing, you people give your answer, try to rephrase a lot. Means I asked her one question, can you please explain your favorite color? You started, my favorite color is red.
Yes.
Rather to say this, you can perform, colors plays a crucial role in everyone's life.
Yes.
It changes the mood. There are various kinds of the colors that I love, but most probably I prefer red.
Yes.
Or whenever I usually wear red color, it's lucky for me.
Yes.
Means try to explain. Like another question I asked from her about the name. In future, if you would get a chance, would you change it or not? That's your choice. You won't say I won't change or not, but try to rephrase it a lot. Means how much you people are speaking, you people are getting the higher band score. Do not give your answers in a one or two lines. Like you can say, first of all, I do not want to change my name in future, but if there would be any chance to get anything, if I'll get fame or name or any kind of the field I'll choose where
Yes.
I would have to change my name, that time I'll think about this. Means try to speak loud, clear, or definitely, that is called the task one. First impression is the last impression, or examiner would definitely give you a great score. If I'm going to talk about out of two band score, then
Yes, sir.
yes,
No, sir.
should I?
Yes, sir.
So I think that I'll give her 1.5. Not 2 because there are 2 or 3 mistakes I found. So I'm giving 1.5 in a task 1. Or what do you think? Kindly give your reviews. So thank you very much for watching this video. Or if you love these kind of the videos, kindly subscribe the channel again. Thank you so much. I love you everyone. Keep sport. Raman IELTS.